What is trust? By its definition, it's a firm belief in the reliability, integrity, or ability of someone or something. Therefore, it has to be earned, often over the course of many years, of delivering superior products or services and consistent performance. For over 4 decades, Syspro has operated under principles of trust, and nowhere is this more evident than in our cloud offering. Syspro Cloud ERP is a fit-for-purpose business solution for the manufacturing and distribution sectors that allows you to focus on the primary functions of your business, while it takes care of the rest. Syspro Cloud ERP is built on 5 pillars. Specialized solutions built from industry experience that help you deliver better products, value, and services that are adaptable to your unique business requirements and expandable to connect different systems, giving you everything you need and nothing that you don't. So you can collaborate and capitalize on business opportunities on any device, anywhere in the world, where you only pay for the capabilities and transformative technologies that drive digitalization and enable growth across your entire operation. From specialists you can trust to give you uninterrupted business now and into the future. Syspro Cloud ERP, built from experience, made for you.